Chapter 8 India Climatic Conditions. Let's learn climate controls, factors affecting India's climate, seasons of India, importance of monsoon. India experiences a variety of climates ranging from tropical in the south to temperate and alpine in the Himalayan north. The elevated areas receive sustained snowfall during winters. The Himalayas and the Thar Desert strongly influence the climate of the country. The Himalayas work as a barrier to the frigid winds which blow down from Central Asia. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country, and this makes its climate more tropical. India is a big tropical country and is famous for its diverse climatic features. The overall weather pattern of a place is called its climate. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. Climatic controls. There are 6 major factors which influence the climate of a place. They are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features.
Latitude. The Indian landmass is equally divided by the Tropic of Cancer. Hence, half of India has tropical climate and another half has subtropical climate.
Altitude. While the average elevation in the coastal areas is about 30 meters, the average elevation in the northern mountain is about 6,000 meters. The Himalayas prevent the cold winds coming from Central Asia from entering the Indian subcontinent. Due to this, the subcontinent gets comparatively milder winters as compared to Central Asia. Pressure and winds. The Indian subcontinent lies in the region of northeasterly winds. These winds originate from the subtropical high pressure belt of the northern hemisphere. After that, these winds blow towards south. They get deflected to the right due to Coriolis force and then move towards the low pressure area near the equator. In winter, winds blow from lands to the sea as the dry northeast monsoon. In summer, they blow from sea to land as the southwest monsoon. The hot dry loo blows in the month of May over the Ganga plain. Brain tickler. Name few disasters caused due to climatic change. Info hive. Coriolis force on Earth tends to deflect moving objects to the right in the northern hemisphere and to the left in the southern hemisphere. Distance from the sea. The sea has a moderating influence on the region near it. The region near the sea does not experience extreme climate. As the distance from the sea increases, the region experiences extreme climatic conditions known as continental climate. That is, the summer are very hot and the winters are very cold. Ocean currents. They affect the climate of coastal regions. Coastal areas are warm or cool depending on the ocean currents that flow past them. Relief. Mountains. Mountains act as barriers and stop cold or hot winds. Info hive. The United States constitutes 5% of the world population and contributes to 22% of world's carbon emission. Seasons of India. India generally witnesses 4 types of seasons. During these seasons, strong variations in the temperature take place in the country. The different types of seasons experienced in India are as follows. Cold weather season or winter. Generally, the months of January and February are considered as the winter season in the country. However, in some parts of northwestern India, the season begins from December. Generally, the average temperature during this season is about 10 to 15 degrees Celsius in northwest regions. In southeast region of mainland India, the average temperature is about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. The western Himalayas, the extreme northeastern parts of Kerala and Tamil Nadu experience rains during this season. The cyclones coming from the Mediterranean Sea cause light rainfall in the plains and snowfall in the Himalayas. This is followed by very cold weather and fog. Info Hive. In West Bengal, pre-monsoon showers are locally called Kal Baisakhi. Summer, pre-monsoon, thunderstorm, hot weather season. The country experiences this season from March till June. In the interior peninsular regions, the mean daily temperature is recorded at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. The maximum daytime temperature in central India crosses 40 degrees Celsius in many areas. In some regions, temperature is high during daytime while in the nights low temperature is recorded. The coastal areas of the country have mild temperature during this season due to the influence of land and sea breezes. Thunderstorms are seen in the northeastern and eastern parts of Bihar, Assam and West Bengal. In the plains of northwest India, hot and dry winds along with dust winds are frequently experienced. These hot, dry, dust-laden strong winds called Lu blow during the day in northern India. Towards the end of summer season, many parts of India experience pre-monsoon showers. In Kerala and Karnataka, these pre-monsoon showers are called mango showers, as they help in the early ripening of mangoes. Brain tickler. Name a place in India which receives scanty rainfall. Rainy southwest monsoon season. The months from July to September are the most significant. About 75% of the total rainfall of the country is supplied by the monsoon torrents during this season. These winds are very important for the economy of the country because rainfall is necessary for crops and agricultural activities in India. The monsoon winds blow from the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the Indian peninsula. These winds carry moisture with them. When the moisture-laden winds strike the mountain barriers, it results in rainfall in India. The exact period of the southwest monsoon in a region depends upon the onset and withdrawal time of the season. For instance, it remains in West Rajasthan for about 75 days, while for 120 days in the southwestern regions of the country.
The southwest monsoon reaches the Indian mainland in two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch.
The Arabian Sea branch extends towards the low-pressure area over Thar Desert and is about 3 times stronger than the Bay of Bengal branch.
The northern hemispheric temperatures, El Nino, snow cover, sea surface, temperature, etc., are some of the local and global phenomena which influence the monsoon in the country. The southwest monsoon starts to weaken by 1 September in Rajasthan and from 15th September in some northwestern parts of the country. Autumn or post-monsoon or northeast monsoon or retreating southwest monsoon.
This season prevails in the country from the month of October and November. During this season, the monsoon winds move from the mainland to Bay of Bengal and hence it is called the retreating monsoon. During this season, the southern parts of India receive rainfall. The weather here becomes oppressive due to excessive heat and high humidity. A large northern part of the country experiences cool, dry, and dense Central Asian air masses. Some parts of Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh receive about 35% of their total rainfall during the season. A decline in the mean temperature from 38 degrees Celsius in October to 28 degrees Celsius in November takes place during this season. The characteristic features of this season include decrease in humidity level and clear skies in most parts of the central and northern India. The cyclones originating in the Bay of Bengal are often destructive, causing loss of life and property in the thickly populated delta regions. The bulk of rainfall on the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu is due to these cyclones. Importance of monsoon. The monsoon is very important for India. Agriculture in India is largely dependent on the monsoon. A good monsoon means good harvest, while a bad one results in poor harvest.
As India's economy is agrarian, the entire economic activity is adversely affected in a poor monsoon year.
Brain tickler. Name an instrument used to measure humidity. Distribution of rainfall. The western coast and northeastern India receive over 400 cm of rainfall annually. The annual rainfall is less than 60 cm in western Rajasthan and adjoining parts of Gujarat, Haryana and Punjab. Rainfall is also low in the interior of the Deccan Plateau and east of the Sahyadri. The area around the Leh also gets low rainfall. The rest of the country gets moderate rainfall. Snowfall is restricted to the Himalayan region. Recap. India experiences a variety of climates ranging from tropical in the south to temperate and alpine in the Himalayan north. There are 6 major controls of the climate of any place. They are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief features. Generally, the months of December, January, and February are considered the winter season in the country. In the interior peninsular region, the mean daily temperature is recorded at 30 to 35 degrees Celsius.
The exact period of the southwest monsoon in a region depends upon the onset and withdrawal time of the season.
The western coast and northeastern India receive over 400 cm of rainfall annually.